Did your application crash because of the Microsoft Web Infrastructure Module DLL issue? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm here to help you re-establish those broken links. To start our troubleshooting for Microsoft Web Infrastructure Module, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the Microsoft Web Infrastructure Module, a foundational assembly that allows .NET web applications to register localized HTTP modules and handlers dynamically. It is a mandatory dependency for modern automated billing and reporting software. If missing, the app will crash, citing an assembly load failure, web.infrastructure. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Unlike system-wide DLLs, Microsoft Web Infrastructure Module DLL is unique to the ASP.NET Web Infrastructure Shim environment, and reinstalling your specific software, giving the error, from its official source is the only verified method to repair a broken file reference. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Microsoft Web Infrastructure Module. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. The version of Microsoft Web Infrastructure Module DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If your workstation feels less efficient, the resource below provides background information on managing Microsoft Web Infrastructure Module. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Microsoft Web Infrastructure Module today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support